Good morning, everybody. Doc here, Platinum Pro Wash. Hope everybody had a safe and fun Independence weekend. Today's Tuesday and we're back at it. Got a big one. We're not scheduling houses now all day long, just because here in the Midwest, it is 10 o'clock in the morning, and it is hotter than a firecracker. Pun intended. But this is our big one for the day. As you can see, here's the dirty side. Got some really nasty stuff up there. We cleaned out all the gutters already, and now we're getting set up to wash. But as you can see, this is one needs it. You gotta shine those gutters up, get all that mold and mildew off the siding. Gotta note that hole right there in the siding. We were gonna take all the screens off, but I guess they decided against that. So we'll just wash the windows through the screens. But at least up front, as you can see Matthew there, he is staying out of the heat. Noah's filling up bleach and water, and we are about to get going on this. I still got to clean those front gutters, but as you can see, it is dirty and it's been a while. Homeowners are gone. They left their cars in the way. That's always great, but we'll wash them down with water just like we do the plants. But there are some crazy angles on this house. They're gonna make it fun. I am downstreaming. I'm not using the 12 volt because I just don't think I've got enough reach and angle for some of those peaks, like that one way up there, those way back there. All of this would be fine, but gotta get through that tree, over the hump, way up there. Now, I will say the 12 volt will reach that peak, but it's when you got to shoot over angles that it makes it tough. Got the boss showing me the way. Got our hoses stretched out. This side back here, I am going to have to get on the ladder. I don't know if you can see it in the trees, but I'm gonna have to get on the ladder to get around the side of the house right there, because there's just no easy way from the ground to get it. Some of these gutters were really bad too, obviously because of these trees. But yeah, that's the house, and we're gonna get started on it. See you in a bit. Alright guys, thought I'd get a little shooter action going here. Here's the dirtiest side. Thought we might watch this melt off together. Again, downstreaming. 5 gallon a minute pressure washer. Got the M5 twist going. See how good we can get this thing clean, and you guys can see the real-time footage of it melting away. As you can see, it's already melting away, if you can see that. You know the sun is going to come from this. Stand over here in the shade. Watch some of that. Yep, already starting to fade away. Just that quick. As you can see, that's almost already gone. That's pretty much already gone. The window's good. cam, whatever it's called, headband cam. And it's done. Just that quick. Alright guys, I'll show you the end result here in just a second. Peace. Hey guys, Doc again. Platinum Pro Wash here with the finished product on this job. As you can see, it came out shining like a new nickel. All those bad spots that were over here, I showed you, they kind of melted away with us. And I need to spray that off. And I hate when that stuff comes out from underneath the siding. But everything's looking good, looking good. Looking good. Got the boys rolling everything up. Everything came clean. That's a tangled up mess there. All in all, I'm happy with it, and I think the homeowner will be too. All came clean. Take a look around back. Clean. Yes, indeed. Again, I did have to use the ladder to get up a little section right there because there's roof or wall on the other side right there, if you can see through those trees, and there was just no angle to get it. I couldn't even get it from this side. I could get a little bit of it, but not over that peak. But as we can see, it is clean. Other than these dusty spots right here. Man, that makes me mad when that stuff does that. It just wipes right off, and it'll blow off once it dries. But it is clean. Alright guys, that's another one in the books. We're going to call it a day. It's about noon. And it is about 100 degrees with about 110% field temperature. And the humidity is wet. My shirt is completely drenched. And it's not because I got wet from the pressure washer. Alright guys, there's another one in the books. See you on the next one. Peace.